Hey, we're at IKEA today. We're going to check out the summer sale, see what things might be discounted. I'm also going to take you through some of the displays, and then I'm also going to show you the marketplace and just kind of take a run through the store. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm back from IKEA and I'm going to show you what I got on my haul. I picked up this candle holder that I saw, this very large candle holder. This was on sale for the summer sale. It was $2.99. And this is great. I actually think you could use this as a tray or like a decor piece. And then I picked up a couple of these hooks for the wall. And these were $1.99 on sale a piece. And the young man showed me there's like a piece in the back that like slides off and you screw it into the wall and then you just slide this on. And then I was really excited to find these cushion covers. I saw them in the store, and you know if you saw in the video, and I wasn't sure if I was going to find them, but I did, and I was really excited. I got two of these. They were $1.99 a piece, normally like $9.99. This made my whole trip right here. And then I got a couple of 99-cent scrubbers for the sink. We really like these. And then now I'm going to show you what I got that wasn't on sale. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some of the items I got that were not on the summer sale, but they are just items that I either wanted or needed. I picked up another one of these shelves. It's our Beckvon. I have one, I wanted two. That was $4.99. And then I needed a plant waterer, a watering can. That was $1.99. I also picked up this nice container that you saw in the video. This, I'm going to put my coffee in this. These were $2.99 and I was actually quite surprised. I thought it would be more. And so I'm going to use that to put my coffee in. That will match in my kitchen nicely. $2.99 for that. And then I went ahead and got this tray. I've been wanting this tray for a really long time, so I wanted to get that. This was $9.99. This was actually less than I thought. I was thinking it was more like $15 or maybe $20. So I was really happy to get that. I got a $4.99 chair cushion for my son. And that's going to go on his chair at his desk. And then I purchased these crates for $5.99. These were $5.99 a piece. I got two of them. These are called Naglig, I think. Let me just turn it around here. I don't know if you pronounce the K or not. I usually don't pronounce a K. Naglig. So these were $5.99. I got two of those. I'm going to put those in my pantry and maybe use them to store some of my glass oil jars in, or oil containers. So stay tuned for that if you'd like to see a pantry redo, because I'll be doing that the next month or so. So that's my haul, and that's my shop with me. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed showing it to you, and I'm really excited. The whole trip was worth it just for me to get these pillow covers that I wanted. I didn't think they were going to have them. When I looked, I saw they were on sale and I didn't see any in the bins, and then I lucked out and I found some. So this was worth my whole trip right here, and everything else today is a bonus. So altogether it was about $50 for these items. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like it, please share it. Please give me a like. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you like about IKEA. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. You can also ring that little bell, and that will tell you when I put out another video. It will notify you. As long as you have your notifications turned on. You do have to have those turned on. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great week.